All right, how you doing today? Today we're talking about a really cool bundle from UJAM that's on sale for Black Friday. Limited time, obviously. 14 beat makers in all. These are really cool, genre-specific drum plugins. The MIDI files you could play the kits as your own. I got a bunch of them. I made videos on a bunch of these other ones before. So with this bundle, you get 140 kits, 410 styles, over 6,000 phrases, 750 presets, and then there's mixed presets as well. You get cozy, really cool lo-fi kind of beat maker there. Circuits, BERSERK, RICO, dope, very nice for that old school hip hop sound. Candy, K-pop, I believe that one is. Just a bunch of them, all in one package bundle, really low price. It's a great time to grab this one. You're not going to want to miss this. They also have all their other plugin bundles on sale as well. All the guitarists, the bassists. You can even buy the full bundle of all their plugins at a really discounted price. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.